In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in Notion. We'll walk through creating a clean, shareable site using only Notion's built-in tools, keeping things simple and professional from start to finish. First, start a new page in Notion. You can begin with a blank page if you want full control, or choose from the many website-friendly templates, like a personal site, portfolio, or resume. Templates give you a ready-made structure, while a blank page lets you design freely. Either way, give your page a clear title so visitors immediately know they're in the right place. Next, add and style your content. Notion is block-based, which means everything you add, text, images, videos, and databases, lives in its own block. Type for paragraphs, use inline formatting for emphasis, and drop in images or videos to bring the page to life. If you need structured information, a simple database can power lists like projects or articles. Keep your sections short and scannable so it's easy to read. Use headers and columns to shape your layout. H1 is perfect for your main page title, H2 for major sections like About or Work, and H3 for smaller subsections. To create columns, click and drag a block to the side of another until you see a blue vertical line appear. Then release. This lets you place text beside images, pair descriptions with visuals, or create multi-column galleries for a more polished look. Add interactive elements to make your site more useful. Toggle lists work great for FAQs or expandable sections that keep the page tidy. If you want a contact form, embed a type form so visitors can reach you without leaving the page. For longer pages, add a table of contents with /TOC. It automatically tracks your headers and helps people jump to what they need. Incorporate multimedia to keep things engaging. Embed YouTube videos to showcase demos or talks. Upload images to highlight work, or add audio files for podcasts and voice notes. Use captions to provide context, so every media item earns its place on the page. When you are ready to share, publish to the web, click the Share button in the top right. Go to the Publish tab and select Publish to Web. Instantly, your page becomes publicly accessible through a Notion site URL that you can share anywhere. If you ever update the page, your published site updates automatically, so you can keep improving it over time without republishing. That's it, your website is live, clean, and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching.